Hey guys, it's Carrie and welcome back to my channel. As in the last two videos, and this video I have my beautiful daughter Clarissa.
Her favorite one.
She's like,
favorite out of the two.
Favorite out of the two, and out of my son.
Yeah.
I had her first.
Firstborn is the best.
Flip the hair.
Just kidding.
Whoops. If it'll stay in, this is what the box looks like inside. And now we're going to go through the products.
Ooh, I already am eyeballing something in there. Okay.
What are you eyeballing? What are you eyeballing? Okay, let's do that first.
I just saw blue glitter.
And that is holographic lip gloss.
What? Appeal Cosmetics.
Read it while I'm doing this.
This all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight. Oh, I am reading the wrong thing. Sorry. Deliver intense holographic shine to your lips with this appeal. With this exclusive launch, the holographic lip gloss works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy, giving it a multi-dimensional argan oil-infused shine.
Bang, chicka, wow, wow.
Let me see.
You see the holographic? Hold on, my hair's sticking to my lips. Do you see the holographic?
Yes. Let me see that. It's beautiful.
You want that? Take it.
What?
Yes, you can have it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't have to have it.
Of course you did. Okay, what's next?
Another thing I'm eyeballing, like share on Harvest.
The palette?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. My daughter is going to steal my palette, but that's okay. I have like 50,000 palettes by Boxycharm. Let me go ahead and open it. This is the back of it. It's the Festival by Pure Cosmetics. And these are the colors that are inside of it.
Wow.
Here's the front of it. Yeah, you're looking at this already like you want it. I know you do, so I'm going to go ahead and give it to you. Because you're my favorite. Don't tell your sister. And it came with Endurance Eyeshadow Primer, Get a Grip. Now, you know what they say about foil products. I don't really know what they say, but I don't like foil products, so you can have this also.
I'm flattered.
Your heart is just melting.
Yes.
So let's go ahead and open it up. And let me take the plastic off. Without getting it all over myself. And it does have a mirror. These are the colors right here. And it does have a mirror. Just wanted to show you that real quick. That's my soda.
Size.
That's my soda, by the way. So yeah. And it's got what? 9 shadows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 shadows. I'm sorry, I'm a very visual person. So like when I count, it's like someone tells me to count to 10. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They say count higher, and then I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how I learned how to count. Okay, so anyways, so how about you want to swatch a couple colors? Why don't you swatch the glitters first?
Holy. Oh, you can't really see it.
This is called...
This is... Oh.
Fireworks.
Wow. I don't know if you can see
the color on her finger. Guys, this camera does no justice of how beautiful this pink is. And why don't you swatch the silver one? And
it feels like
it's upside down.
Glitter.
It's 24 karat magic. So these you are probably going to have to use either a primer or a glitter glue. I'm assuming. Once you put it up.
Well, not this one. I don't think these two glitter ones. Like, this is pure glitter. Like, that's awesome.
Okay. Now, I'm going to do a couple that are just a shimmery color. You know, I can probably build up that gold a little bit, or the rose color a little bit. Was it this one that I swatched right here? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let me try to build that up a little bit just so they can see it up there. Now, you know, if it does beautifully on the arms, it's going to do absolutely beautiful on your eyes. And if you don't like it on your eyes, just remember that if you don't like it on your arms, just remember that your eyes are completely different. I know they're your same skin, but they're more sensitive. They're thinner. So the skin is thinner on your eyes. So it's going to probably turn out a lot better on your eyes than on your arm. Mm-hmm. And let's just do, for the heck of it, let's just do this one.
Pink, that's calling our name.
Pink, that's a matte color, and it's calling our name. So let's see.
Holy pigment. Ooh.
Guys, if I could even sit here and go on camera with doing my makeup, I would totally do a look with these. This would be so much fun, but it's outside my comfort zone right now.
Yeah.
I'm more into browns and taupes and stuff like that, so we'll see.
This lighting is not doing
justice at all.
Justice. Like, these colors are unbelievable.
Use a light from your phone.
This is like a neon pink, this one right here. Oh, no, sorry. I don't know if that helps.
Oh, it's not.
Nope, that didn't help.
Not helping at all. That's helping. Wait, put it back. There we go. Put it back. There we go. Look at that. Look at that color. So yeah, those are amazing.
Definitely Coachella vibes.
Coachella, definitely. And
if we lived in
California, we would go to Coachella.
I can imagine, like, you can put this on your lips. Too.
That's a good idea. You know what? How about the inner corner of your eyes with the silver one?
Definitely. Definitely. Oh, goodness. So pretty. You can see some of the shimmer right here. But very beautiful. I love this. And it's not like harsh feeling, like, because it's like pure glitter.
It is pure, and it looks so good, though. It doesn't look like it's chunky at all. It looks like it just lays flat on your lips. And you can tell that.
And it feels comfortable.
And she has a matte lipstick on, so I don't think the glitter's going to go anywhere, especially if you put a lip gloss on top of it.
Yeah, you can see the glitter up here at the top, where it's shining at. That's the lighter color.
That's great. Oh, here's a case for it.
Beautiful.
Okay, anything else in here you're eyeing?
Makeup brushes.
I knew she was going to say the makeup brushes, so before I even told her she was doing this video with me, I decided that I was going to give her these makeup brushes. They're by Luxie. Let me go ahead and take them out while you read about the Luxie brushes.
Luxie, the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. The Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use a Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, which is the 512, this one.
And it's got the ombre effect. It's pink up here, and then it goes down into a yellow. And it's got a yellow gold tip, and it's got a gray or dark gray with light gray top. And it's very, very soft. Very good for your cheeks. I would do like a blush with this. Maybe a contour.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe a contour, but I would definitely do a blush with this. And yeah, so that's perfect.
The next one is the Luxie 245 small shader brush. It's perfect to pat on your base, shadow, and glitter. So those other two that eyeshadow palette that we just showed with the glitter, like, definitely.
Oh yeah, so you can get the glitter and just put it right here
and pack it on.
Pack it on right here. And like I said, you can even use like a clear primer, which will help hold that on, or the glitter glue will help keep it on. I know when I do glitter, they always fall off my eyes, so I definitely need a glitter glue. So that's that one.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
It's this
one.
It's this one. I'm sorry. Let's try this again, Mom.
Okay, rewind. That's the flat brush that you can use to pat on glitter and eyeshadow to the base of your eye. And then this one, Luxie 209 larger shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look.
So yeah, that's right. I had it backwards. It's my fault.
I just realized, my bad.
So those are there. And it looks like we have 2 more products.
Okay.
Which would you like to do?
This one that says Angel, because of my baby girl.
Her dog's name is Angel, so anything that says Angel on it, I'm pretty sure this is going to be hers. And what is this, Clarissa?
What is the brand? Luscious?
Luscious.
Luscious Angel Eye Primer. Oh, it's an eye primer.
Yeah.
And base. Awesome. The Guardian Angel for your eye makeup artistry. This cruelty-free vegan formula glides onto your eyelids without dragging or creasing, acting like a magnet for both eyeshadow, concealer, and eyeliner. This primer ensures a perfectly smooth canvas for long-lasting color payoff that stays in place all day and night.
Let's take a look at this and see the consistency of this. I can't get the lid off. Oh, okay, so it's a nude color.
Ooh, awesome.
So that'll be nice.
Yeah.
And this will go really good with the colors that we have. And this is what it looks like on my hand, but if I keep going like this, it's going to totally blend out. You know what I'm saying? So on your eyelids, this would be nice, or even to cover up like dark circles.
That's going to make
even dark veins. But that's going to totally make your eyeshadow pop.
Holy.
So that's what that looks like. And let's see what the final product is.
Okay, the final product. Let me see.
Artist Couture.
Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle. Create a subtle.
A subtitle.
Subtle. Don't laugh at me.
Her husband's laughing, and I'm laughing.
Luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. Oh, booty. Husband booty.
Husband booty. Rudy Tooty Booty. He's smiling. He's loving this. So here's the box. Artist Couture on here. We have received a different one, Artist Couture. And what is it? It was called Illuminati. And that was the most beautiful color I have. It's dark, but oh, here's Angel, guys. Here's my granddaughter. What's this? What's Nona got? What's Nona got? Huh? And so this is a color. And I'm probably going to make a huge mess. I don't even know if I should take this off right now, because I'm probably going to make a terrifying mess. Let me see. No.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think you keep...
Okay, there's probably some plastic to take off. So I'm not going to take it off, but this is what it's called, Purple Dream. So this is a color, and it's a pinky purple color. It's like a light lilac pinky purple color. And it's got the plastic on. I'm not going to even mess with that right now because it's going to get all over her kitchen. But yeah, I will put this on a future look, on my face that you guys can check out in a future video. So that's what we have for our Boxycharm today. Thank you so much for doing 3 videos with me. I totally enjoyed having you, and I would love for my audience to let me know down below in the comments if they would like to have you in my videos again. You add a little bit of spark and humor to them. And I just want you to know that if you can give a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up, anything like that. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see much better stuff come to my channel. And this is just me starting out. This is my 6th video, so it's bound to get better. And I just want to say God bless you guys, and thank you for coming.
Bye.